get a coat. That's a bit.
And the first generation Ford Bronco. Sharp's Broncos were driven by such famous names as James Garner and Parnelli Jones. By 1971, Strock, Jones and Ford changed the off-road landscape with a radical Big Ole Bronco. The radical creation not only won the 1971 and the 1972 Mexican Thousands, but the Golden Ford became the most famous off-road race car in history. Over the past 40 years, the sport of off-road racing has seen the rapid rises of speed, technology, and fun. The evolution of off-road racing has been a revolution in high-performance driving. The sport's humble beginnings have given way to today's awe-inspiring motorsport weapons, high-tech vehicles capable of conquering brutal terrain at unimaginable speeds. And throughout it all, Ford has been there. Bobby Gordon became one of the sport's most talented drivers behind the wheel of his first race truck, a highly modified 1966 Ford Stepside. By 1996, Gordon and Ford were unbeatable, winning races and the season championship. Ford's legacy in off-road truck racing continues today, with Mark Post and Rob McCachran winning the 40th anniversary Baja 1000 and Score Championship in 2007. An important sidebar to this sport has been the rise of pre-running, where competitors use race-bred cars and trucks to conduct course reconnaissance prior to the event. In fact, the vehicles have given rise to an entirely new class of vehicles. They are known simply as pre-runners. And now, thanks to Ford and its SVT division, the world's first real off-road worthy production truck will bring the fun of pre-running to the everyman. Meet the 2010 Ford Raptor F-150, incorporating the engineering and progress forged in 40 years of desert racing. Ford's new high-performance off-road truck features a 6.2-litre Boss V8 engine, a long travel suspension, and a wider stance. BF Goodrich all-terrain TAs complete the package. Of course, the Raptor needed to go racing. The new truck, driven by Greg Fout, Steve Olivis, and Bud Broxman, will make its debut at this year's Score Baja 1000, and Wide Open will be there to help bring the Raptor to the finish line. It only took 40 years, but we salute Ford and SVT for having the guts to make the Raptor a reality. We'll see you at the finish line.
Awesome, awesome. Well, I'll tell you what, when they're ready to throw that.
All right, BC10 is right on the tail. Back,